everyone, welcome back to my channel, or if this is your first time here, welcome! My name is Cali and this is my YouTube channel dedicated to all things nails and good vibes. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing some really fun and minimal negative space nail art with you. Today's video is actually a collab with Kayla from Manicures here on YouTube. She has a lot of really great nail art and nail polish videos over on her channel as well, so make sure you check out her channel and subscribe. All of her links are in the description box down below. We each decided to do 3 manicures, I think, so we're going to be sharing some really pretty designs. They're a little bit unique and definitely something different if you want some new inspiration for nail designs of your own. Like I've said in different videos and over on my Instagram, I've been really enjoying minimal nail art like this lately, and this is just a fun way to incorporate some different design elements, so I'm really excited to share these designs with you. Again, don't forget to check out Kayla's video as well. The links will be in the description box down below. And without any further ado, if you are new here from Kayla's channel, welcome. I hope you'll stick around, and I'm gonna leave you with some fun music, and I hope you enjoy the designs.
Now you try to hide, but that's how you think of me when you're asleep. How you keep wanting to what we could be. So go find another one, even though we're not fun. Yeah, you can love another one, because I know it'll always be in the back of your mind. You look at them, they ignore the signs, but we all know when you look in their eyes, you wish you were looking in mine. You wish you were looking in mine. You wish you were looking in mine. Cut me off just to avoid my face. Act like we can't make it anyway. Only gets in the way. Yeah. So go find another one.
So that is it for today's video. I really hope you enjoyed it. Let me know in the comments which of these designs was your favorite, and if you do decide to recreate any of these, then definitely share on Instagram so I can see and share with our community. You can use the hashtag TSNinspo. And once again, don't forget to check out Kayla's channel and her video as well. The links are in the description box down below. Again, if you are new here from Kayla's channel or just new in general, then thank you for stopping by. I hope you'll stick around. I'm trying to stick to my 2 videos a week schedule. My own schedule is kind of crazy at the moment. So thank you guys for sticking with me while I work out all this stuff, and hopefully I can be more into a routine soon. But in the meantime, you can see regular content over on my blog, 360nails.com. I post a new blog post every Wednesday and Sunday. I also keep you updated on my nail art and less toxic and lifestyle content over on Instagram, so make sure you follow me there. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a big thumbs up, because it really helps get this video to more people, and it's a really easy way to support my channel. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope you have a really wonderful day, and I will see you in my next video. Same nail time, same nail channel. Have a polished rest of your day. Bye!